Good morning everybody, it's Dr. Ahmad, and today I wanted to speak to you about a product called Genius. It is a dermal filler which is endorsed by the Safer Practicing Ambassadors. I've used this filler quite extensively over the last 2 years, and we've had some amazing results with the longevity, with the effects, and there are different types and strengths of the filler depending which part of the face or the body that we would like to inject this into. I have been appointed the ambassador for Scotland and also for London, and what the company has asked me to do is create a gallery of my before and after pictures. In order to do this, what they have done is they have facilitated a program where I can bring on board patients to act as models, allowing us to use the before and after pictures, giving you up to a 60% discount on the cost of treatment. So from as little as £99 a mil, we are able to treat you with this high quality product as long as we are able to use your before and after pictures.